What's up everybody, Andre here. Today we're gonna perform a cooling flush, and actually we're gonna replace the regular coolant of the bike with the engineice. So why you wanna do that? Like every motorcycle manufacturer recommend changing your coolant like every 2 years. It can damage your whatever hose is a radiator over there, you know, if you leave it for too long. It might not be so performant like it used to be. You know, all kind of stuff. Plus, I plan on taking this bike on track, so you can only run distilled water or engineice in it. So what we're gonna need for this, we're gonna need the coolant, that's engineice, okay? We're gonna need some distilled water to clean the system. I'm gonna show you. We need a drain bucket, whatever you call it, the funnel, you know, and I can use those just to take the fairings off, because we're gonna have to take the fairings off. So first thing we need to do is take the fairings off, like at least the bottom side. Then we're gonna have to take the fairings off over there to reach the radiator cap, you know. So let's get into it. What we're gonna do now, it's to remove the coolant tank here. Okay, this is like the expansion tank, overflow tank, okay? So we're gonna grab a wrench, undo this screw here. Okay. So this is gonna be a 10mm screw over here. Okay. Drain all that. Now that everything is taken off the bike, we just need to rinse this tank with distilled water. Use the funnel for that. Make sure clean water is gonna come out of this, you know. And after it's all fine, we're gonna let it drain. If clean water is coming out, we need to let it drain, put it back together, and then we need to go on the other side to drain the coolant from the radiator and all that. Okay guys, now we're back on the left side of the bike. We need to drain all the coolant. And the screw is gonna be like this one here. Okay. Make sure you wash your hands or use gloves, because this is toxic. Okay, and now we can unscrew the radiator cap. Should drain faster. Good. Now it's all drained here. We can add some more distilled water in the tank until all the system is clean, you know, like no more green stuff, just clean water. It's getting there. Now make sure you don't throw this anywhere that can harm animals, plants or whatever. This is toxic, okay? So what you can do, you can put it back in the distilled water. So now we go the other way around. So we need to replace the screw to put it back together, to put it back there. We can also clean all that area as it's very dirty right now. Now we need to fill up the radiator and the tank with engineice. By the way, now it's a good moment to check all your hoses if they're in good condition. I just checked mine, everything is good. So let's fill up the radiator. Shake the bike a little and press the hoses, you know, the other side as well. Keep filling it up. Okay, now we're gonna turn the bike on. Give it a couple revs and fill it up more if it's needed. Okay, and we can also fill up the expansion tank now to the level. Let's see where I put the cap. We can screw the cap back on. Okay. That's gonna be it. It basically got one of these, like half a gallon. If you do like the content of my video, please like and subscribe. Subscribing is gonna help me a lot. Maybe one day I can start getting paid for this kind of stuff, you know. Thank you guys. Enjoy, have a good one.